Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the currency in Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and log into your Exness and click on my account. Then after that, choose if it's demo or real. For me, I will use demo. And now I will open a new account. Then choose any one from these. For me, I will let it on standards. Click continue. Now choose the leverage you want. Then choose the currency here. So let's say, for example, I would choose Moroccan dirham. Then give this account a name. Let's say standard 111. Then create a password. After that, click on create an account. And as you can see here, we have a new account with a different currency. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.